So I bought this Zartek rechargeable LED work light from Outdoor Warehouse and I paid 800 Rand for this unit. And a couple of days later I bought this Kaufmann LED rechargeable work light from Takealot and I paid 479 Rand for this unit. And to me, both of these lights look exactly the same and they function exactly the same way. Of course, they are just different colors. So is there any reason why this Zartek light is almost double the price compared to the Kaufmann light? Is it possibly a better quality unit, or are we just being charged a premium because it's bought from Outdoor Warehouse? Well, in this video, I'm going to open up both of these lights and we're going to have a look inside and see if there are any differences. And a little bit of a spoiler alert, I've actually opened up both of these lights already and there are some differences and I think you'll be quite pleasantly surprised. This video is not sponsored by Zartek or Kaufmann in any way. They've got nothing to do with the video. I bought both of these work lights using my own money because I was curious as to why one is so much more expensive than the other. Also, this is the first time that I've bought a Zartek or a Kaufmann product. And please let us know in the comments if you've ever bought any of these before and how they worked out for you. And also, if you do find the video useful, let us know in the comments. And if you are looking to buy one of these lights, let us know which one that you want to buy and why you chose that specific brand. So I've had a quick look at both of these LED job site work lights here. So on the left hand side, we've got the Zartek. This is the 800 Rand light, and on the right hand side we've got the Kaufmann one, which is basically half the price at 420 Rand. I think I actually paid 479 Rand. I bought it on Takealot, so it was a little bit more expensive. And by the way, a quick Google search also showed that these lights are also available online from a couple of different places like Cape Union Mart or Amazon.co.za, or directly off the Kaufmann online website and a couple of other different places, and all of their prices seem to vary slightly. In fact, these look like some of the same lights that you can buy on Amazon.com that are available in America. These lights are pretty much exactly the same. They are identical except for two things, and I'm going to show you what those are now. But just to cover what is the same, so the casings are basically the same. The back, the housings, they are almost identical, other than the fact that the Zartek has got a number 1 and the Kaufmann has got a number 2 in the casing, but that is probably just the number of the mold that it came out of. But these things are identical. There are no differences. The same thing with the it's got like a little clear lens cover and this little, I suppose, reflector. They are both exactly the same on both of the lights. So I can't pick up the other little clear reflector, but there it is now. And yeah, those are both exactly the same. The screws that came out of all of them, all identical. The little plate that holds the batteries in, those are identical. And if we also have a look at the circuit board, so I'll pick it up. This is the Kaufmann one, so this is the half price or the cheaper one. If you have a look at the circuit board, yeah, whoopsie, I've actually just turned it on. So the circuit board over there says, can you see it? DC HSL-W891. So that's the model number of that circuit board. And yes, these things are still powered up. And the Zartek one, this is the 800 Rand one. This is, as you can see there, DC HSL-W891. It's exactly the same board. Also on the front of the unit, you know, the fronts both look exactly the same. I'm not going to show you anything up closely there. You're just going to have to trust me on that. But the little array of red LEDs in the front here on the Kaufmann and the array of red LEDs on the Zartek are all exactly the same. Okay, they do look white here, but they do shine red. However, there are some big differences. So on the Kaufmann one, this is the cheaper, the 420 Rand one. If you have a look at the LED array, so this is a COB LED, a chip-on-board LED. All these little LEDs make up one, sort of one light, if you will. It's got a model number KX-11667. So that's on the cheaper version. And on the more expensive version, we can see here this LED is also KX-11667. It's exactly the same COB or chip-on-board LED chip or circuit that we've got here. However, the very big difference is on the more expensive version, the heatsink behind the LED here, it's completely loose. There's no thermal paste, there's no nothing. So this heatsink was just jammed in on the back there, and I guess doing as good a job as it could. On the light that costs half as much, if we actually turn it over here, hopefully you can see this. Inside here, this little white bit of section here, that's a bit of like, I think it would be celastic or a type of thermal paste, thermal glue. That's actually gluing the chip to the heatsink. So it's going to conduct heat a lot better onto this aluminium heatsink. And that's very important for the longevity of the COB chip itself, because when this thing is shining very bright, the LEDs get hot and they need to sink that heat somewhere. So they need to transfer the heat away from the LED and then onto the heatsink itself. And this one is going to transfer heat a lot better than what this one is going to. So that's one big difference. The other difference is the batteries, which of course are an important thing. And if we look at the Kaufmann one, now remember this is the 420 Rand one, the half price one. It's got 3 batteries and they've all got their specs written on the batteries. So 18650 cells, 1800 milliamp hours, 3.7 volts, 6.66 watt hours. And what is this? Zhejiang Hongli Supply Store Technology Co. Limited. So you can see they all of these cells come from a specific manufacturer. But if we have a look at the more expensive light, remember the Zartek one is almost double the price, $800. If we have a look at the cells, they've got no writing on them. So are these generic, like just cheap ass cells? You see there's no writing on either side. Look, the cells look the same on the outside, but maybe they are, maybe they aren't. At least with this one, it inspires a little bit more confidence where it looks like they've come from a better source. But again, I don't know this. I'm just going on what I can see in front of me here. Now, maybe this is also just a once-off thing where the quality control was a little bit suspect, you know. Maybe this is a once-off thing for Zartek where it happened to be that they forgot to put the thermal paste on this one or the thermal glue, and they used not a bad batch of batteries, but a batch of unbranded batteries when in fact there's nothing wrong with them. I don't know, again, just a guess. But if I were to choose, having looked at both of these, the Zartek one and the Kaufmann light, there it's in frame there, for half the price, 420 Rand, I would probably go ahead and pick this one. If any of you know any different, maybe you've got some inside information into the Zartek and the Kaufmann products, let us know in the comments. It's always great to hear from you, and we can share our knowledge, and then everybody can maybe learn something. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you ended up liking the video, please give it a thumbs up. Especially if you found it useful, please let us know in the comments. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you next time.